Alright, so here's the new version now. So, first thing first, you can move ASDW, shift space going up, alt slower, control move faster. R resets everything. Uh, alright, so this is spaceship, and this is my screen. Let's go R. Alright. So the thing that's nice now is I've added this. And so this way you can see what after using the clipping algorithm on the plane from top plane, right, left, down, far plane, near plane. So it clips there, and this is what it sees. Oh, now it's gonna lag because you're not supposed to. Yeah, so now it's back to normally, and this is what I saw. So if it doesn't clip though, so if I get this out of the screen, it's gonna lag even more. It's Python, and I've optimized it, so 25 FPS is pretty good. um, Next thing, I can fill the spaceship, move up, down, left, right, uh, normal rotation, and using the scroll wheel, but there's also the numpad and the arrows. So again, ESDW, and then numpad or arrows I can turn like that, and then now I've done the math correctly, so it actually works. Like following the camera is a bit tricky, but I'm not gonna like I need to redo all camera works, and fuck that. And next thing is, yeah, I can shoot lasers. I just took the sounds from YouTube. And yeah, there's TIE fighter sounds too, because why not? So okay, now I can go there, and yeah, you see this fuck sound. So no following the spaceship and rendering. The spaceship doesn't have the the regular render. It's just a trick where if it's outside of the screen, I just don't like if all points are outside of the screen, I just don't do the shape. So sometimes it's gonna bug a bit, but it has so many shapes that I don't want to like clip it all. It'll take more computational power than just that simple algorithm. And as you can see, there's lightning. So my character is a light bulb, the camera. So it changed depending on go faster there, and I can continue following the spaceship. And oh, all right, it's and the plane there, I used a bit of a cheap trick where, as you can see, it's a triangle. I just didn't want to waste time like making just a new type of object for that. Oh, now I'm below. All right, so where are we now? There's a cube there, and R resets it all. I can pause the game. I can do that, and it's escape to go up. Changing camera semicolon. There's other stuff like just resetting the camera there, or just make it invisible with L and back quote. That's it.